I gotta see him in the mood for a little bit more of that. I mean, I'm saying what kind of these is 2 days. I need me at least about 4 of them, on them, on you, on me, on us. Just tell me you want me there.
Okay, so my friend is having a Bridgerton themed party. It's gonna be a brunch, so I'm just getting ready for that. I thought that was such a cool concept. I know that they have like the Bridgerton experience that they do in a bunch of different cities, and there's one in San Francisco that I've been wanting to go to. Enough, the last shoot that I did, the girl was saying that she had just came from that the day before and she really enjoyed it. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna ever make it out to there, but it is cool that she's gonna be having a little Bridgerton themed brunch party for her birthday. It's her 25th birthday, so I feel like that's a really cute like concept and I'm excited to go. I just have like on this, maybe I'll show you guys this is the dress. It is a little bit too big, like it would probably need to be cinched in like that because it is very loose. It does have a cute little slit. Can't really see full body in this dirty mirror, but I got it off Shein, so it was like really cheap. And nothing crazy going on in the back. Earrings are from Shein as well. Just gonna put on some lip gloss. Yeah, I'm excited to see all the girlies. Drink some mimosas. Probably not too many because I have to come back and do a shoot later on. I'm just gonna have a couple of drinks and then chill, say hi to everybody, and head back to do the shoot. This is a size medium for reference as well, and I normally wear smalls and things, but I know that Shein normally runs a bit small, so I always get things a size bigger to a couple size bigger. And you could do like if you're wearing like a strapless bra or no bra at all, you can do the little dainty, you know. I don't be dressing up that often. Like I don't wear dresses that often at all, so y'all know, y'all see me coming on here looking crusty. Y'all know my attire is just sweats or leggings, whatever type of workout clothes. But yeah, it's always nice to just dress up a little bit.
I need this energy every time.
Say your name and who you think is gonna be the drunkest.
Okay. My name's, wait, did it start?
Yeah.
My name is Makiah, and I think that Megan is gonna get the drunkest.
Everyone.
Yeah, we can throw it in the ice and then it'll cool down.
Emily.
Where's Emily? I need your phone. Megan's cousin. She's really left right now to get us tequila.
Yeah, you should. A surprise dance.
Her other friends.
I think you should your dad.
I think, wait.
You're her family, right? No, you're not. Well, I feel like I've seen her.
Birthday girl! This is Makiah's vlog, so it matters.
Hi, Makiah's vlog!
Yes.
Wait, your cousin,
Eli.
she's gonna get us tequila. Oh, she's... Wait, I have this. I was like,
I know she's
I'm
got
not getting
it.
drunk off of this.
I'm fucking weak.
Now at least you.
It's not even 3 o'clock.
Megan and Dominique is gonna be the drunkest tonight.
Who are you? You. This is so cool. Period. Everybody.
Megan, let's take that picture now.
Oh yes, yes, yes.
The fact that my knees got that long. I eat. I'm not joking. Like it. No, it's that one in their head.
What are you doing? Is that of yourself? Yeah, right? Okay.
Wait, did you?
No, I don't know.
We're at Megan's party.
Oh, wait. I'm taking close-up ones.
Look at how cute they are, y'all.
Not close-up. Okay?
Oh my god, I'm
You know what you guys should do?
Hanging out the back, all of it, you left. Like, is you coming home? Is you out with her?
Work.
I don't care long as you here by 10:30, no later than.
Happy birthday, dear May.
Bussdown. Situations that have happened to our dear readers, such as Lady Turtle, whose vanity does not concern her for what as fuck. Where are my glasses?
Where's my glasses?
Whereas for she has a gray strand of hair one refuses to pull out of one's head.
I think it's Makiah.
I think it's me.
Is it Makiah?
That's valid.
I don't know why.
Okay, I don't know.
I don't know. It's not processing in my noggin.
Okay.
Yeah.
The answer.
The answer is
Makiah.
It is
I didn't know you were gonna put
Where
mine
is the gray hair? I want to see it.
Okay, I can't take it out, but it's like right
You were the
here.
first one to text me back, so I was like, alright. So
It's just so cute. Like I just want to keep it.
Oh, why was I right about that?
You were. You was on point.
Marine loves to gamble her sorrows away on one's foolish luck, or as Americans call it, lottery. Who is Lady Marine?
You.
No, I lied at the beginning, bitch.
Yeah.
At the beginning. No, Marine.
Is it Andrew? I think it's Andrew.
Is it Andrew?
What starts about doing the water?
I don't know. I see MC or
Okay. Everybody else guess?
I'm done. I don't know.
Okay. The answer is Janessa.
I fucking knew it.
Oh my gosh, you guys, the party was so nice. She even made these little lady whistle down papers. Like you guys see in the clips, but she really went all out and it was so well put together. In case any of you guys want to get like inspiration to throw yourself a party or whatever. She asked us beforehand to submit or send her some like secrets about ourselves. Use that to create a paper, and then at the end on the back there has like all the names of the people and we have to guess who is who. All right guys, I'm setting up for the shoot. I got a new backdrop for this one. Can't really see it in this lighting, but it's like this gray. I actually thought it was gonna be a little bit lighter than this. It kind of looks light on camera, but it is like a nice medium gray. It's not too dark. I'm gonna set this up. I normally don't work with paper a lot unless I'm at like another studio that like I'm renting out and they normally will do the seamless paper. I have a lot of like muslin, however you pronounce that, muslin backgrounds or backdrops. I've been wanting to try out more seamless paper just because you don't have to worry about obviously the creases and ironing out everything. It's just seamless and it just looks a lot more put together and just crisp. But my camera's about to die, so maybe you guys won't get to see the setup. You'll just see that after when everybody's here. So, but yeah, I'm gonna put this right here. Fits perfectly. I was kind of worried about that, but yeah, it definitely lines up.
You like 9 to 5, I'm the weekend. Make a lose his mind every weekend. Take Wednesday, Thursday, just send him my way. Think I got it covered for the weekend.
Is this the right way?
Those are the old ones and the test ones that are just
Some buttons up.